Thank you. My name's Tony J. I'm from London. A friend of mine came here. I saw the work, so I came. Yeah, very professional. Liked the way I was treated. Just, yeah, I thought it was a good place, clean. So I'd already seen the results from my friend, like how it was. So yeah, I was happy to come and have the treatment here. I've had a full top set of zirconia, is it? And a bridge in the bottom on 2 implants and 1 implant on the left hand side. Yeah, I wanted it to heal up. I didn't want to have to come back and them say no, it's not ready yet. So yeah, 9 months is a good time. You'd rather go longer than less and have to come for nothing. Well, to find a dentist back home that can do this treatment they're very, very expensive. Time frame, I don't know, it'd probably be very similar, like the healing and all that, but everything very professional, the way they work, the way you're treated, like nothing's a problem. If there is anything, yeah, they sort it. That's it. I don't like needles and stuff like that, so I had to man up a little bit, but no, it wasn't painful. By the time you injected and all that, it wasn't painful at all. No, not really. For a couple of days of like painkiller pain, the painkillers would sort out. But after that, all good. Yeah. Thank you very much. I'm over the moon with the work. Wish you all very well.